So, hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is no contact reading for all the Leo Sun Moon Venus rising from 31st of March till the 6th of April. Roles can be reversed also, and if not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions, you can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono Masterclass link is given below. And I'm going to soon launch my self-love course. It's going to give you the feeling of a rebirth, completely new energy. So let's start. Leo, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see, honey. We have the Six of Pentacles, the Chariot, and the Page of Pentacles. Wow. Okay, this is somebody who is feeling very imbalanced kind of energy. Oh my god, I got scared like hell. Oh my god, just coming back. So this like this bell is going to give me heart attack someday. Anyways, so this is someone who is feeling very imbalanced kind of energy. They can't stay with you, they can't move on from you, right? So they feel like they should at least stay in connection with you, stay in touch with you somehow, whatever it means. Because they can't be with you, they can't be without you, they can't move on, they can't make it work out. So the only option left here in the situation is to stay in touch with you somehow. This is what they're feeling. Or they might be feeling like, okay, they can be just friends with you for the rest of your lives, and they are going to pretend nothing happened and everything is fine. This is what they're feeling. There is a sense of, okay, at least stay in touch, at least be casual friends, at least, yeah. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Four of Pentacles, the Page of Wands, and the Two of Cups. Their intention is to keep this desire of coming forward towards you and offering you love uh, to themselves. They don't want to open up to you, and they don't want to like scare you with this energy of I still love you, I still want to be with you, I'm going to spend the rest of my life with you. They just want to play it really very cool. They just want to pretend that they are okay with being friends only, or they are okay just being with a casual kind of energy only, casual kind of fun and flirting kind of energy only. They don't want to tell you, they don't want to reveal it to you at any cost that they want more than friendship with you, or they just want solid committed relationship with you. They don't want to reveal it to you at all, at any cost, not right now. Okay, because they're seriously feeling this situation is very imbalanced, and no matter how hard you guys try to make it work out or make it keep balance or something, it's never going to happen. Wow. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any. Oh, Navratri started today, yeah, by the, yeah, today's first day of Navratri, right? And tomorrow is Eid. How beautifully blended all the cultures are, and still we keep on fighting like crazy. I don't know why. Anyways, the action from this person's side: Ace of Wands, Knight of Cups, Five of Pentacles. God! So I do see action from this person's side, but again, they are not going to tell you what they actually mean. They are going to tell you exactly what they don't want to say to you. So I do see action where they are going to come towards you with some kind of love, some kind of friendship kind of energy, some kind of energy of can we stay in touch or can we be together again or something like that. But they are going to refuse to tell you that they still have emotions for you, they still love you, they still care for you. They are not going to tell you all this, and they are going to feel like left out in the cold. They are going to feel defeated from inside, but somehow this person will reconnect with you, and they are going to pretend to be a friend only, or pretend to be like, okay, I am just some I'm just going to talk to you like in once in a month or so. So go with their actions rather than with their words, Leo, because this person have something very deeper to communicate with you, but they are not doing it because according to them this is bound to fail. This whole situation, this whole connection, this whole dynamics between you and them is bound to fail. So what's the use of even coming towards you with love offer, or making it work out, or forcing you to be in the relationship or something like that? Okay, For you, the guidance here is the Ten of Wands. Okay. The guidance here is, if this situation is weighing you down, if this situation is not giving you anything in return the way you want it, or you are not feeling loved, or you are not feeling the way you should feel in a relationship, what's the use of being in a relationship if you are feeling like this? Or what's the use of waiting for a person that you know is not going to be someone that you want them to be? So it's your choice, it's your like life. But if something or someone is weighing you down, it's good to drop it. Yeah, and let it go. Very difficult, but the only solution. Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.